Destiny Thor. Did you know an insane 28% of children in the UAE are obese? Due to the pandemic in the last 2 years, kids have also become sedentary. So sharks, this is why I think it is the perfect time for you to invest in my business. Healthy Harvest Cooking School is for children aged between 9 to 13. We plan to cover 3 key areas: nutrition, farming, and cooking. I have teamed up with a small farm outside of LA. Use their space to hold weekend classes. They have been very popular. Parents have asked us to set up frequent classes so the children can continue to learn. The survey I did in school and community shows a great demand. When I did my market research here in the UAE, I found a few places that offer cooking classes. Classes are mainly for teenagers, some for little children who like to come with their parents. They are not offering the topics of farming or gardening or nutrition. Here is my vision for my cooking school. Parents can drop off their children after school to the Healthy Harvest Cooking School at 3:30. Once they come to the cooking school, they will start off with a healthy snack made by the staff or other students from the day before. Then the students will attend a nutrition class between 30 to 45 minutes where they learn about food and discuss recipes. Children get to visit the greenhouse to collect any harvest or help with gardening chores and feed the chickens. In our farm, we will have common vegetables and herbs. In the kitchen, children will cook 1 to 2 recipes depending on the difficulty level. At the end of the day, children can take some of the food they made back for their families. In my cooking school, I will have staff to help take care of the children so parents don't need to be there. I really like to make my school affordable to parents. I plan to use produce from the UAE. As you know, the agriculture industry in the UAE has grown a lot in the last 10 years. By using locally produced vegetables, meat, and eggs, we can keep the costs down. We will use produce from our little farm too. Also, we will help reduce the carbon footprint. To set up the cooking school, I'm here to find 125,000 dirhams for 25% of the business. With high obesity rates in the UAE and children having a sedentary lifestyle in the last 2 years because of the pandemic, this is the perfect time to invest on my farm-to-table concept cooking school to make a difference. Thank you for your time.